Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 16th, and this is my analysis of the Euro-US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full dollar analysis. So on the Euro dollar monthly, I still think there's a good chance this is going to make a higher low, but I am definitely looking for shorts on shorter time frames, and if it does keep on going down and break that low, definitely it's not going to affect my trading in any negative way whatsoever. So taking it down to the weekly, I'm definitely still looking at this as a 1, still looking at this middle section as an expanding flat wave 2. I still think this is likely to be a subdivision of a wave 3, like a 1 of 3. This should be an ABC 2 of 3, which should make a higher low, and I still think eventually it's going to go up and make a 3, a 4, and a 5, just like what I've been showing on the monthly time frame. So heading down to the daily time frame. On the daily, I still think this wave 5 right here is most likely a wave 1. I still think this is an A, a B, and I still think we're in a wave C. Kind of looks like a 1, 2, 3 right here, so it is pretty likely that it's going to have to make a wave 4 and a wave 5. Then if it continues to respect the 78% fib, goes up, breaks structure, that's what's going to tell me that this is the end of a wave C, and that's what's going to turn me into a buyer. Otherwise, if I just see it go up, like this, and then it never breaks any structure and then just goes past the fib and just keeps making lower lows, lower highs, then I will just keep on looking for shorts. And if I'm wrong about this being a wave 2 and I'm looking for shorts on shorter time frames, that's definitely not going to affect my day in any negative way. So going down to the 4 hour time frame, I think we should primarily still be looking for shorts, but we are at a Fibonacci level. I do think there's actually a pretty good chance that this is going to go up, but the move up is likely to be a wave 4, and I think then it probably will go down for a wave 5. This will probably be a 3, a 1, a 2, a 3, 4, and 5. Then if it goes up and breaks the wave 4 structure, that will turn me into a buyer. If it doesn't, and it just keeps on making lower lows, lower highs like I was explaining on the daily, then I'll just keep on looking for shorts. Now going down to the 1 hour time frame, I don't think I would even try to go long even as a scalper as of yet. Now if it goes up and breaks this structure, then that would at least tell me that this section of trend is over, and if that section of trend is over, then probably the whole section of trend is over. So I would definitely be waiting for a structure break if you are more like a scalper. If it does break structure, then I would definitely at that point probably start looking for some longs as a scalp strategy. But like I said, I think if anything, it's probably just going to be a crutch into the downtrend. So I would expect it to make it like an ABC, probably an ABC of 4, and then back down again for a wave 5. Then if it respects this 78%, goes up and breaks structure, that's what's going to turn me into a buyer in a big way. If it doesn't do that, but instead keeps on making lower lows, lower highs, then I'll just keep on going short at the end of every pullback I see for the continuation of the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions and all my swing trade setups at fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.